Hi, welcome to Forest Rock Qigong. This is a 10-minute Qigong routine for depression. I'm going to go through the exercises first in the 10-minute period, and then I'll go back after that and I'll explain a little bit more detail of each of the exercises. In Chinese medicine, the depression is seen as often as a liver qi stagnation or a Heart Shen disturbance. The first exercise is called swaying the body like a willow. It comes from one of the modified Bhagwan Jin system. And you're going to move your body from side to side and you need your arms to sway. It's just like a willow tree in the breeze. And you're moving from side to side, and you're letting your hips go from side to side. This helps to loosen up the liver and the gallbladder meridian. And just relax, let the arms just hang down. So I'm not moving my arms like this. I'm actually just letting the arms just hang. So the body's moving, the arms are just hanging by themselves here. Very good. Very good, and stop there. Second exercise is called Pine Tree Moves in the Breeze. It's from the Long Life Qigong system. We're going to go to the right side first. So you bring the right foot up, you bring the hand up, and the knee and the hand come up together and it goes down. And the hand floats again, and comes down. You go to the other side, bring the knee and the hand up together, comes down, hand comes back up, and then down. Very good. Breathe in as it comes up. Breathe as it goes down. Breathing in. And breathe out. Breathe in as it comes up. Breathe as it goes down. Breathe in as it comes up. And breathe as it comes down. Last one. Next exercise is called Scoop the Sea, Toss to the Sky. Now we're going to go off to the right side first. We're going to step off with the right foot. We're going to come down. It's like scooping water out of a puddle. And then we're going to cross our hands, leaning backwards, and arch our back backwards. And then come forward. Now you breathe in as you come back. And then breathe out as you come forward. And you alternate hands in the front. And then breathe out. Breathe in. And we'll do one more on this side. Breathing out. Breathing in. Step up, step in, and then step out with the other side. And moving forward. Now all the weight changes onto the front foot. And then when you go to the back foot, all the weight's on the back foot. Breathing out on the way down. Breathing in as we stand up. Breathing out. Breathing in, and one more. Your hands up, then come back to the front. So the next one we're going to do is a heart exercise from the Dantian Zang Qigong system. We bring our hands up onto our heart, and for males you put your left hand on your heart with your right over the top, and for females you're going to put your right hand on your heart with your left over the top. Yep. We're going to start from the top. We're going to go anti-clockwise first. So that means we're going to go top right, bottom left. That's the direction we're going to go because we're the clock. We're going to go top, right, bottom left. Anti-clock. We're going to do this 9 times. So what we're doing is we're bringing in tension, we're moving the energy in our heart, we're stimulating the energy in our heart. And then we're going to go the other way. So now we're going to go clockwise, which is top, left, bottom, right. Top, left, bottom, right. And we'll do this 9 times as well. All right, good. Now we're going to do point respiration. How we do this, we push our hands in. It's like pushing energy into our heart. We're going to breathe out. We're going to relax our hands and breathe in all the good chi into your heart. Push and breathe out. Breathe in. Good. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe in. Very good. Good chi. Very good. And bring your hands back down to the ground. Next one I'm going to do is called painting the rainbow in the sky. This exercise is from the Shiba Shia Tai Chi Qigong system. Yep. So then we're going to start off with the hands facing towards the ground. This exercise is really good for the liver. Helps to move stagnant liver's chi. Move your hands up, push towards the sky. Now we're going to go to the right side first. So I'm going to mirror you. So you're going to go to the right side, move your weight to the right, and then look to the left. Good. And remember the arms aren't straight, they've got a slight bend. Breathing in as it comes up. Breathing out as it goes down. Breathe in, it comes up. Breathe out as it goes down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in as it comes up. Breathing out as it comes down. This helps to activate the gallbladder meridian and the liver meridian. Breathing out. The breath changes in the middle, so breathe into the top, and you breathe out as you change the hands, go to the side. Now the breath change happens at the top as the hands come to the top. You breathe in and then breathe out as the hand goes to the side. Breathe in and then both hands come back down to you, between your eyes, and they turn over, goes down. Now the next exercise is called crane fly south for the winter. We're going to go to the right side first. So this time when your foot comes up, the foot comes up, but both hands come up, yeah? And then it comes down. And both hands come to the top, and they touch at the top, the index finger and the thumb touch, and it comes down. Comes to the side, comes up, and comes down. Do that again. This exercise is good for the heart and the lung meridian. It feels like you lighten your spirit with this exercise. Good, and finish there. Bring your hands round to lower Dantian. Take a breath in and breathe out and relax. This helps to harmonize the chi inside your body. It helps to calm the mind. Take a long, slow breath in. Long, slow breath out. Good. And that's the end of the exercise. So we'll just go back to the exercise themselves. So the first exercise, remember we talked about depressions. One of the depressions to do with the liver chi stagnation, which is the thing that we're doing. A couple of these exercises for that. And also for the Heart Shen disturbance, which is like your Shen inside your heart, your own spirit is disturbed. And in Chinese medicine, they see that can give you a feeling of depression. So the swaying the body, the first exercise when you sway from side to side, this idea, it creates this motion of movement from one side of the body to the other. The chi is washing from one side to the other, which stimulates the right and left hemispheres as well. It's good for the gallbladder, and the gallbladder trans up the side of the body. Goes from side to side. Now, it started to rain, as you can obviously see. It's starting to rain, which is great. And it's nice and warm here in Bali, so the rain is actually really beautiful to be in the rain. It's a lovely feeling. So we're going from side to side and washing from side to side. Yeah? And it feels like we're just swaying like the willow tree. And the arms, as I say, the arms are just not, I'm not moving the arms. The body swaying is moving the arms. So the arms are just hanging like an elephant's trunk. Yeah. And so I'm just moving from side to side and let the arms just swing. And so it's a very calming exercise. And you just feel the whole body just slowing down and has this lovely rhythm that happens with it. Yeah. Very cool. That's that exercise. Pine tree moves in the breathe, which is a long life Qigong exercise. This is an exercise that regulates and softens the nervous system. It helps the nervous system to regulate the nervous system. It's also good for the liver again, and also the kidney chi. So the hands are coming up. As it comes up, the hand and the foot come up together. It's like an elbow string brings the arm up, and a knee string brings the knee up, and they come up together and they go down together. And then the arm comes just up by itself. Now notice the arms aren't straight. There's a slight bend in the arm, so it comes up, slight bend when it comes down, slight bend when it comes up, slight bend when it comes down, slight bend when it comes up, slight bend when it comes down. Breathing in, breathing out, comes up. We breathe in on the way up and breathe on the way down. Perfect. It's a lovely exercise. Scoop the C, which is the next exercise. We're going to the right side. This helps to regulate the lungs and the heart exercise. When you come forward, all the weight's on the front leg. There's no weight in the back leg. It's just sitting on the ground. And then when you go to the back leg, all the weight's on the back leg, and there's no weight in the front leg. So you just change the weight completely. So you're shifting the weight from the front to the back. You breathe out on the way down, and you breathe in on the way up. This helps to lift your mood as such. It helps to bring energy into your heart and shift your mood that you're in. So it's a great exercise to do to change the way you're feeling. Breathing out. We change sides. When we do that, we come up to the top and we change sides and we step off the other side. And then you breathe out. Breathing in and breathing out. The rain's really quite refreshing today. This is a water exercise, and it's quite refreshing when the rain today. Feels nice and cool. Breathing out. Good. And then breathe in. Now the other thing that happens is when you're breathing back, of course you single weighting on the weight on the back foot. When you come forward, you do alternating hands. So one time you go one side, and the other time you have the other hand forward. So you do alternating hands. Comes to the top and comes down. The heart exercise itself, we're bringing our hearts. Remember the hands, the right hand for the female, the left hand for the male on top of your heart. We always go anti-clockwise first when we do Dantian exercises. You go anti-clockwise first, and then you go clockwise, yeah? Go the opposite way. Yep. And then we do point respiration. So we're doing the circles, and you think in your mind, you're thinking of the energy coming from your palm of your hands into your heart, and it's circulating the energy into your heart. And then it goes the other way where it circulates the heart. So we're stimulating the energy clockwise and anti-clockwise in the heart. And then we do point respiration. We push and breathe out. Breathe in. Push and breathe out. Breathe in. Push and breathe out. Good like that. And so feel like you're pushing out all the perverse chi out of the heart and breathing in all the good chi back into the heart again. Painting the rainbow in the sky, that's a famous exercise in the Shurba Shu system to help to regulate the liver's chi. We talked about liver chi stagnation as part of the depression. So it lifts the weight off the liver. The liver also helps to balance the emotions inside the body as well. So this exercise comes up, push up to the sky, go to the right side, and you push out so that the energy going out through the hand. You breathe into the top, nice and slowly, and then breathe out. Breathe in as it comes up. Breathe out. Very good. Beautiful exercise. And as you breathe in, what you do is when you move to the side and all the weight changes to the side, you can feel the stretch on the side of your body like a banana. It's the shape of the banana. The hand's going outside. You don't have a straight arm. Have it slightly bent and it's facing directly side. Don't have it down. Goes to the side. That one. This one's above your head. Breathing in. Change weight and then breathing out. So you're going from side to side, yeah? Breathe in, then the hands come down, turns over at your eyes and comes straight back down. Returns the chi back to the lower Dantian. Very good. The exercise after that was the crane flies south. Another beautiful, it's one of my favorite exercises. The hands come up and then the hands come down. The hands come up and standing on one leg. Yep. So it's like you're seeing this person. Make sure their arms don't do too high. They just come to your shoulder height and they just hang. They're not straight. And then the hands come back down slowly. And then the hands, they meet at the top. They meet at the top where the forefinger and the thumb touch each other at the top there. Comes up and touches at the top. And then comes down. And change the other side. Hands come up, one leg. And when I'm standing on one leg, this leg's bent, it's slightly bent. The leg's not straight, it's got a slight bend in the leg. So I'm standing on the bent leg, I'm standing on the kidney points as well. And then it comes back down again. Now, when you do this exercise, you might find you're a bit shaky. You might find when you're standing on one leg, if you haven't done this exercise before, you could sit in here and be wobbling a bit. That's okay. It just gets stronger and stronger. Part of this exercise that helps the coordination between the right and left hemispheres as part of this exercise as well. But having good balance is really important. And the balance, of course, helps the liver. It also helps the way the mind and the heart works as well with the balance. So it's like balance not only in your physical body, but it's also balance in your mind and your heart as well. Yep. The last one is you bring your hands back on the lower Dantian. And we're returning all the chi back to the lower Dantian, our physical center. And we bring it back to the lower Dantian. And we relax. Very cool. And we do a long, slow, quiet breath. Breathe in, and then breathe out. Long breath in, long breath out. And what that does is help to harmonize the chi in the body. It also helps to calm the heart, calm the mind. Yeah? Now we've energized our body, so we have a lot more energy in our body. And so we feel refreshed with this exercises. And inside our hearts is a lot more peaceful and a lot more quiet. And our mind's a lot more quiet too, which is great. Long breath in. Long breath out. Very good. So if you have any questions about these exercises, please ask. These exercises are very profound. I mean, they've been around for thousands of years, and I notice they change your mood and the way you feel. It addresses your nervous system, addresses your heart, addresses your mind, addresses your energy inside your body and gets the energy moving and the chi moving so your body feels more vitality, more alive. If you have any questions, please ask and have a great day. Enjoy the rain. Bye-bye.